Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You want to find the cutting speed given this information. What is the surface speed or cutting speed in feet per minute of an 11-inch diameter grinding wheel revolving at 1400 revolutions per minute? So that means it's going around in a circle 1400 times per minute and its diameter is 11 inches. Now they give you the formula you need to complete the problem. Surface speed, I call it SS, equals circumference in feet, call that C, times your RPMs, which that was given as 1400. Okay, the circumference, the formula for circumference is pi d. Well, first thing though, we need this, they want the answer in feet, and we're given inches. So I take 11 inches and I multiply it by 1/12, or 11 inches is 11/12 of a foot. And then they want a decimal answer, so I put that in the calculator and I rounded it to 0.917 feet. So then I put it in this formula, pi times d. Pi is about 3.14, and I get 2.88 feet. So then I finally come back to this formula, put in 2.88 for circumference. The revolutions per minute was given as 1400. Multiply those, I get 4,029.66 feet per minute. They tell you to round the nearest ones, and so that would round to 4,030 feet per minute. I hope this helps.